We are here at the Deflector Maxx station. We have to cut down the heads on these screws in order for them to fit into the actual deflector. So here's the way we did it before. Notice how it's taking some time. And we'll be back shortly with a new and improved process.
Okay, we're back over. We've made a lot of changes. We have the machine up on blocks, so now it's much higher, and Alexi is not as fatigued every day because notice how he's standing straight up. He's not bending over. Before he was bending over. We've got a holder for the chuck wrench, which goes right back in there every time. He never has to fumble for that. We've removed the screws from this area, and we actually have them right down by the chuck so he doesn't have to reach as far. We've got the connectors here and then the finished product right here. So he's got a nice flow line all the way through. Okay, so this time what we've done is we've actually put a little magnetic stop over there on his stop so he doesn't even have to think about it anymore. You can see the magnets are stuck on there. Now watch, when he cuts through this, he's not gonna have to even think about the number. Before he was having to look at it. Okay, as you watch this video on improvement, there's a couple important things I want to point out. Number one, people ask, why don't we just make the screws the right size? The answer is we want to, but it costs thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars to change the mold and the tooling. And right now we have to fill the orders for the customer because this is a custom order form. And then eventually, once we've proven the product, we'll make everything exactly the right way in the mold. First, we're in the beta testing phase. The other thing you need to know is we're saving 26 hours for every 10,000 pieces we make. So this is a significant improvement that these guys have come up with. I think you're going to enjoy this improvement.
We're back in warehouse 6 with the Deflector Maxx. We've got 2 people working on the system now because it cut down from being 24 seconds for each one to now it's 7 seconds. Notice the stand we built here for the machine, so it's easier and higher to work on. Notice how the machine is running, while on this side we're putting more screws in.
While that side is cutting, we're going to load up this board here. There's magnets that will hold each screw in position to get put into the jig. So we push them all in. As they go in, that board makes sure that every one of them is pushed up against the fence all the way.
This process is now saving us 26.5 hours, and that's calculating that there's 2 people working on this now. And on this side, the plastic keys gets put on, and we use this cool invention that we're using our hole punch tool to cramp them in. Great process in place now.